Greetings to all my homeless niggas. We welcome you to another exclusive episode of Wicked Magician. And yes, let's make YouTube great again. Let's build the wall, let's protect Zherka, let's subscribe, and let's enjoy this wonderful video. May God continue to bless you, my nigga.
Even in your head. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. But you're gonna see it in your mind for a few seconds. An obsessed person never stops seeing it. If I say you manifest what you think about, nobody believes me. But if I say every misery and depression you have is because you're thinking about it, you go, holy shit, I did bring that to myself. The moment you realize most humans wish for things to harm them is the moment you go, oh, that shit is real. Yeah, you can manifest. Because when I say manifest, people are like, I'm thinking of a Ferrari. No, you're an alcoholic. You think of liquor. And so when you realize 99% of your thoughts are to damage you, that's the devil. Okay? That's why there's you who you are when you wake up, and then these impulses you have to ruin your life. I don't need a cigarette. I need liquor. I need this. I need an argument. I need those impulses. They're foreign. You could have those impulses till you're 40 years old and they still feel foreign. Why do they feel foreign? Because they're from demons, and these demons are talked about in these books. They're from the invisible world, a world we can't see. That's why you feel bad when you do something wrong. And here's something that's really underrated. You know, doing the right thing is really underrated. Because everyone thinks doing the right thing is doing the right thing for you. Like, doing the right thing doesn't mean your life got better from it. You have to delete that from your mind. You have to delete from your mind that doing the right thing is something that pluses you. Okay? A lot of times it's not going to plus you, right? It might buff you, but no one's going to know about it. If you did the right thing, nobody knows but you. Very few know. Sometimes one other person knows, and you have an intimate connection where you know, you guys go, oh shit, I'm on the right path. But do the right thing. Don't do the right thing because I'm telling you. Do the right thing because it's actually hard. It's nothing harder than that.